Okay, now who's speaking in letter number 7?
The courier.
Who's the courier?
C.
Okay. What is the courier telling us about the red and blue notes?
He's telling us that the red notes, they are girls because they sit on the line, which means like they have hair because
Okay.
they're girls. And the blue notes, they are boys because they sit between two lines because so they don't have hair.
Okay. While the princess and the courier were flying together, we know that the princess and the courier are troublemakers together. They shouldn't be together.
Yeah,
While they were flying, they fell down. Who caught them when they fell down?
the queen tonic and the maid of honor.
Okay, can you show me?
Yeah. So over here, the courier and Fa and the princess of Babylon, and then the maid of honor and the queen tonic caught them.
Perfect. So we calm down after hearing this voice. Can you show me another way?
Yes.
Fácil. Okay. What do I call it when I play the princess and the courier together?
We call it a three tone
Triton. Why?
because between Fa and Si there are three notes.
Three,
Notes.
three tones.
Yeah, three tones.
That's why we call it a triton.